Hello everyone, I hope this week is gone very well. I am Umme Kulsum, Head Department of News Channel, and we are welcoming you to TVKP News. Today we are coming with the special case of Delhi. It's not only justice for Sabia, it's justice for every rape victim, infant, girl, boy, woman, men or senior citizens. Every state has one or more rape victim, no state is safe. But still our law is far from catching the rapist. We keep on asking justice every year, but all we get is increase in the stories. Will our country be listing top in number of rape cases? It's not about one rape, it's about non-rape. So let's start the Sabia Saifi's case. Sabia Saifi is a 21-year-old girl from Sangam, Bihar. A resident of Sangam, Bihar, Delhi is a police defense officer who started her service 4 months ago. Sabia lived in Delhi and was brutally murdered in Faridabad, Haryana. It has been told by Sabia's family members, mother, father and brother that as usual Sabia went on duty on 26 August 2021 but did not return till late at night 8 pm. Sabia also called for home but could not pick up the call due to some reason. When Sabia get too late and she did not return home, the family members became very worried. When the call was made for Sabia, her mobile was switched off, and when Sabia was seen going to the office, it came to know that there is no Sabia there. In Faridabad, the police get all of a girl and it was all of a girl named Sabia. After this, the police sent all of them for postmortem. After the postmortem was handed over to the family members, you want to tell people that no information has been available about Sabia Saifi's report yet. Sabia's family member says that when Sabia's body was found, there were many stab wounds on her body. There were also knife marks on Rabia's faces. That is why the family members say that Rabia was gang raped and then murdered. Jagan has also accused some people of being involved in the crime by Sabia's family. Not also this, but also her family says that Sabia's both breasts were cut, her neck was slit, and private parts were mutilated. Apart from that, there were several cut marks across her body. The police say a man identified as Nijamuddin has surrendered in connection with Sabia's murder. The man has claimed that he is her husband and killed her wife near Surajkund Palli Road, Faridabad, Haryana, and FIR has been lodged at Surajkund police station in this regard. Her father Samid Ahmad said that Sabia had told him and her mother about a secret lockup inside the DM office where crores of rupees were kept. She had said that 3 to 4 lakhs rupees used to come every day, allegedly through corrupt means. Sabia's family said there is no evidence of her marriage with the aforementioned Nijamuddin or anyone else. In the past 7 days, the police have also failed to provide any proof of their marriage, he added while speaking to Muslim Mirror. He said the man surrendered to the police on 26 August. Ideally, the police should have presented him in the court the next day and sought his remand, but they did not do so for the first 8 days. When courts can be opened at night, then why remand cannot be taken in one day off for the sake of justice? He asked. Sabia had reportedly studied at Jamia Millia Islamia. Her family lives in Sangam, Bihar, New Delhi. The family members of Sabia that there should be a CBI inquiry into this matter. Sabia's family has been protesting outside their house in Sangam, Bihar for a week, demanding a CBI probe and a fair investigation. When people came to know about Sabia Saifi, that a girl named Sabia Saifi used to work in civil defense in Delhi and that girl has been wronged in this way, then people are getting angry. Sabia's family members and many people along with them are protesting on the road to get justice for Sabia and are continuously demanding CBI investigation. At last but not at least, I want to say one thing that The gang should be given the punishment of hanging. In India, there are many rape cases, but only few got punishment of hanging. They all get bail and go out of jail. This should be stopped and they should get a proper punishment. We have to give justice for them. India is not safe for girls. Indian government should take a very strict and severe action on these fucking members who raped an innocent girl. We need justice for Sabia. The rapist raped, the society revolted, the justice laughed, but in between yet another life was lost. Rape is not just a physical violent act perpetrated against one victim, it is an assault on humanity. That's all, thank you. And at last, say no to rape and justice for Sabia.